Bro, what the heck?
He's still playing with a fidget spinner.
What a freaking loser, dude.
Why do you still
No one
play
likes
with
you.
that, bro? You're so weird.
Dude, you're
man.
so irrelevant. Like, no one likes you.
No one uses that no more.
What a
Weirdo.
loser,
Nerd.
bro.
Weirdo.
Hey, do you want to play Pokemon Go with us?
Oh yeah, you wanna play?
Yeah, it's pretty fun.
Pokemon goes live.
Pokemon Go to the polls.
Oh, sure.
Psycho!
Bro, no one plays Pokemon Go anymore.
You're such a loser, bro. Nerd.
Maximum.
What you're gonna do, dude? What a freaking... Oh, snap. Oh, no. No! No! No!
What you just do? What you just do? You alright? What you do? Hey, what you doing?
See ya, losers.